Welcome students, welcome to my channel Streams of Dreams. Today in Maths for grade 2 we are going to do the multiplication of two-digit number by single digit without carrying. So we will not be carrying any number to the next number. So let's see. Once again with tens and ones concept, I have 1 4 14 multiplied by 2. So how we will do it? Let's see. First we will go for the tens one, that is we will be multiplying 2 into 4. So 2 fours are 8. And now we will be multiplying 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2. So my answer is 2 8 28. Let's see the next one. It is 3 to 32 multiplied by 3. So let's see what will be the answer. So we'll be multiplying 3 into 2 first. So 3 twos are 6, and then secondly we are multiplying 3 threes are. It's 9. So my answer is 96. Let's see some more examples. I have a number 2 to 22 multiplied by 4. So my answer says 4 twos are 8 and 4 twos are 8 again. So my answer is 88. 4 141 multiplied by 1 gives you 1 ones are 1 and 1 fours are 41. So my answer says 4 141. Let's practice more. 3030 multiplied by 2 gives you the answer 2 zeros are 0 and 2 threes are 6. So my answer will be 60. I have another number with me which is 5959 multiplied by 0. Oh, it's a tricky one. So I hope you understand that any number multiplied by 0 gives you the answer, not the same number but the 0. So 0 into 9 says 0 and 0 into 5 says 0 again, so that means no answer, 0. So I hope you all liked it. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to comment in the comment box how do you like the video.